Hey guys, we're here at Desoto Falls. It's about 30 minutes outside of Helen. The Desoto Falls recreation area consists of camping, trout fishing, and actually has 5 waterfalls, but we're only going to be able to see 2 today. If we go about 1/4 of a mile that way, we'll see the lower falls. And if we go about 3/4 of a mile that way, we'll see the upper falls. The legend of how the falls got their name is actually from a piece of Spanish armor that was found near here. That could have possibly belonged to Fernando Desoto on his search for gold. So that's pretty neat. We're gonna go check these waterfalls out. So let's go.
Hey guys, we just want to take a break from the video for a second to say thank you to the 200 followers that we have, and we really appreciate it, and it didn't go unnoticed. We just we make content and then we upload it and have it scheduled to come out later, so it came up pretty quickly, and we're making this video now just to say thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. It didn't go unnoticed. We totally appreciate it. Thank you for all your support and helping us to get here. Please keep liking, commenting, subscribing so that we can get to 300 and 400 and beyond. And just really thank you for helping us get here.
Thank you. Hit that notification bell as well. We got our own private little waterfall.
So we hiked to the upper falls, and we saw a little trail up beside the falls, and it brought us up here to the top part of the upper falls, and we're in a little cave under the falls. It's very peaceful. It's nice. If you're not an experienced hiker or don't feel comfortable, that little trail is very slippery, a lot of loose dirt. So just be very careful if you do this. But it is super nice and very relaxing up here. So I recommend it if you're comfortable.
What is this, the lower?
Yep, headed to the lower falls.
Did you see how long it says?
It's 1/4 of a mile.
Okay.
So there and back will be a 1/2 mile.
I married a genius.
That's the only math I can do. Okay guys, so that was DeSoto Falls. It was a wonderful hike, mostly because it's finally fall and it felt amazing. We finally got a little quick break from our 100-degree Georgia weather for a short weekend of 65-degree weather, which was awesome. Felt wonderful. The trails were really easy. Don't be deceived by lower falls because that trail was much steeper than upper falls, but they were both really easy and pretty short. It'd be great for families, especially Upper Falls Trail, because that one was mostly flat and there was a stream running by it, so it was really nice. It was very peaceful, very relaxing, and we enjoyed it, and we hope you did too. So please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thank you.